This is our lunch today. Paneer with bhat. So today I will share what's for my lunch from my train. I am way to my Haridwar and having my lunch. Today Tanya Devi will feed me because I don't want to eat just because of I have lots
by
of
my own hand.
yes, by her own hand she will feed me. She will feed us all the time, but she will feed me now from her hand. So where I was? So today we have aloo paneer tarkari and bhat, which made by ma. And do not forget to tell me what's for your lunch. She's mixing with all those loves and taste outside. And Rabbi.
যেখানে জলের ব্যবস্থা আছে সেখানে এটা মানে
Is our fruit lunch after lunch.